Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to load PLC backup and machine from memory card. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Ensure I/O channel value to be 4. Press System button. Press right arrow soft key 2 times. Press PMC configuration soft key. Press Settings soft key. Set this PMC setting is shown in the video. Now press left arrow soft key. Now press PMC maintenance soft key. Press I/O soft key. In device select memory card. In function select read. Place the cursor over file name. Press OPRT soft key. Press list soft key. Place the cursor over the PLC file. Press select soft key. Press execute soft key. Press execute soft key again. Once it is completed, you have to load PLC to flash ROM to save permanently. In device select flash ROM. In function select write. Press execute soft key. Now PLC is loaded into machine. Thank you for watching the video.